First Alert Weather is brought to you by the Medical Center.
Well, we've seen a little bit of a lull in the thunderstorm activity, but now we're seeing things firing back up, and this is part of a complex of some heavy rain that's caused some flooding in the Henderson area, around Owensboro, Evansville, and along I-64 to the north. But now it's starting to make some headway into the northern counties of the WBKO viewing area. You can see how this complex is fanning out here and beginning to affect places like Fordsville, Hardinsburg, and almost to Hartford now, with some gusty winds and very heavy rain. The good news is it's showing signs of weakening as it goes to the south and east. Litchfield, Hartford, McHenry, Beaver Dam, you'll probably get in on some of this, maybe even Central City and Greenville over the next hours. It's moving off to the southeast at a pretty good clip, so we'll keep an eye on it. Currently no warnings out for it, but just a lot of heavy rain that's coming down. Therefore, the flash flood watch that's in effect for the northern and western counties in our viewing area. We're still looking, though, for that threat of severe weather, especially late tonight, early tomorrow morning as a cold front comes through the area. We're under that slight risk here for the WBKO viewing area, but under a more moderate or elevated risk back to the west in western Kentucky, southern Illinois, the Boot Hill of Missouri, much of western Tennessee. We'll keep an eye on things. And again, with the movie night, plus we also have the hot rods that are playing this evening. We're going to have to watch that too and make sure no renegade thunderstorms pop up. All right, let's show you what's going on as far as temperatures right now. We're seeing upper 60s, low 70s. In fact, look at this, 61 in Calhoun with the rain. Very heavy rain coming down in McLean County, but down the road in Hartford, 71 as that line of storms makes its way in. So a big temperature difference there as that system moves in. And look at the winds, 24 miles per hour, a gust just now in the Hartford area as those winds are coming in, 25 mile per hour gust there in Greenville. We've had some gusts. Look at that, Glasgow at 36 miles per hour. Well, here's what I'm talking about. This is Bowling Green Ballpark, home of the Hot Rods, and tonight the home opener, 7:05 p.m. At that time, there could be a few scattered thunderstorms in the area, but the models are showing that things should be fairly quiet around that time, except for maybe an isolated shower or two. They've removed the tarp here from the infield. They had it up there this morning because of the rain, and now they're prepped and ready to go for tonight's home opener. Let's all hope it goes okay. 73 right now in Bowling Green, southwesterly wind at 13, but that dew point at 64, which means it's a very juicy air mass across southern Kentucky at the moment. Munfordville, you're seeing some of those dark clouds off to your north from that complex that's trying to work in there. 70 degrees right now. You picked up a quarter inch of rain early this morning. Greenville, you may be the next hit with that line of storms and heavy rain. 72. Right now it's just cloudy in Muhlenberg County. There's Litchfield, and off to your north, you can see, and to the west, some of those dark clouds, 69 degrees, as that line of storms tries to work into your northern part, northwestern part of your county. In fact, you've picked up 38 of an inch of rain there this morning, almost an inch here in Bowling Green, but you add to what we had yesterday or last evening before midnight, well over an inch of rain here, certainly well over an inch of rain in Scottsville and Franklin, and now the potential for more heavy rain coming into Calhoun, Hartford, Hardinsburg, Beaver Dam. You're going to pick up a lot more. And therefore, lots of flood watches in effect. Flash flood watch out for western parts of our viewing area. All this you see, southern Missouri and much of Arkansas is a tornado watch. There are some severe thunderstorm warnings now outside of Springfield, Joplin area, and some flood warnings down toward Little Rock. But right now, this whole event is just getting cranked up. This is just the first piece of energy coming through for the day, but this is what we're going to watch a little bit later. All the activity coming out of Arkansas, southern Missouri, this is what we're going to have to keep an eye on for after midnight tonight, very early tomorrow morning. And we've had some breaks in the clouds, but now we're starting to get some overcast in here with that. But notice the break, that's the break we're going to get later this afternoon, early this evening, before that next wave and that more powerful wave of thunderstorms comes in for later tonight. So here's the setup. Lots of moisture in play. The Gulf of Mexico opened up. That's why it's so humid and sticky outside. But we're still looking at the timeline here being very early tomorrow morning and during the morning drive for the worst of the thunderstorms to pass through, with the cold front then clearing out by tomorrow afternoon. So for today, breezy and warm, humid, chance of a shower, thunderstorm thunderstorms still in the forecast, 77, especially if you live north of us. Scattered showers, thunderstorms late 60. And then for tomorrow, up to 70 with thunderstorms in the morning, some severe, then clearing. Saturday, sunny, cooler, 60, 65 Sunday. Then another chance of rain comes in Sunday night into Monday and into early Tuesday. We'll be back with more Midday Live in just a minute.